YouTube is going to help you with your inability to decide how to place ads in your videos by removing your ability to decide how to place ads in your videos. That's right. Starting in November of this year, 2023, we're going to see a major ad update, and that's going to remove your ability to decide what kind of ads to place in your pre-roll and post-roll ads. For those of you that are not monetized or not familiar with how ads work on YouTube, you have pre-roll ads, and you have the choice of doing skippable ads, non-skippable ads, display ads, and other ad types. And the same is true for post-roll. You also have the choice of turning on and off pre-roll ads, turning on and off post-roll ads, turning on and off mid-roll ads, and inserting mid-roll ads at manual places within your video. Well, that's all going to change here very soon. I'm going to talk about that. But let's get to the why. Why are they doing this? Why are they removing your ability to have an ad choice? Well, this is 1 day ago, as of recording this, is YouTube's TikTok style shorts threatening to sink its long form video revenue? That's a good question. There's definitely been a hit on YouTube's revenue. Let's take a look at a few highlights from this article. Launched in 2021 to compete with ByteDance's own TikTok, YouTube Shorts has quickly amassed over 2 billion users, but it appears to have drawn viewers away from the platform's traditional longer video offerings, which historically generated substantial ad revenue. What happened? Alphabet Inc.'s online video sharing platform, YouTube's senior ranks, are concerned that the platform's Shorts feature might be cannibalizing its long-form video revenue. That's right. All this push on Shorts is causing them great problems with their ads. A little bit more here. Last year, the platform reported its first ever quarterly decline in ad revenue since breaking out its performance metrics in 2020. The subsequent 2 quarters also showed revenue declines compared to the previous year. So we are seeing revenue declines. Another article title, YouTube employees worry that Shorts could impact revenue. That's right. We're seeing a great impact in YouTube ad revenue. And so now they're going to go ahead and force best practices on everyone. That's how this is worded. In fact, in the email that I got, it says, starting in November, we're optimizing creator revenue and taking the guesswork out of which ad formats to use by removing individual ad controls for pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads on newly uploaded videos. Well, isn't that kind of them? We're going to remove the guesswork, and we're just going to tell you what best practice is and do best practice for you. Well, I personally am glad that they're not coming out and saying this is a massive downgrade in your ad revenue, that we're just going to change the profit sharing. Instead of you getting the 55% cut that you get, we're going to drop that down to 45 or less percent. I'm glad that they're just doing something like this instead. But it does eliminate the ability in long form content to turn off your post-roll ads, turn off your pre-roll ads. That was a preference that you had previously. Now you'll have to think about, in terms of post-roll ads, you'll have to think about the videos that you might be sending someone to, the normal click here next and watch this is important. You want to think about maybe extending a longer outro to give that person a longer time to maybe click on that video, or saying, hey, watch this video next. Also, I put it in the pinned comment, or also it's in the description, or wherever else they might allow us to put it. Those are just some thoughts maybe ahead on that. There are some changes as well for the live stream content. And I like some of these changes for the live stream. In the live stream content, they're going to allow at, I think, the 6-minute marker, 12-minute marker, 24-minute marker, and 30-minute marker. I may not have that 100% right. At different, you can choose how aggressively you want to insert ads, where they will automatically be inserted throughout the live stream, just automatically inserted. And what you can do is you'll get a 60-second notice when that ad is going to come. So if you're in the middle of a live stream and you have an ad on its way and you don't want that ad to come, you could just cancel that ad. There are also some things that I think would be good to think about if you are doing live streams, and you might want to consider your own mid-roll, where you create your own mid-roll and you put your own mid-roll in, because you can manually insert ads now. Starting in September, you'll be able to manually insert ads on live streams. I think that's actually helpful. That way you could be in the middle of your live stream, you could finish a segment, you could have your own mid-roll, maybe for a product that you have or something, maybe to donate, and then you could end, you could just say, hey, we'll be back after this short little break. You could jump to your mid-roll that says, hey, thanks for watching. If you appreciate this, maybe you could buy me a coffee over at this website here. And then it's either before or after your mid-roll, you could insert a YouTube ad. Now that is something that I have wanted to do for long form videos from the very beginning. I've wanted to have control over how to insert ads. I think it would be helpful, since people just skip mid-roll ads so much of the time. I think it would be helpful to have more control over mid-roll ads. I would like to have control over whether the mid-roll ad is 100% going to be a skippable ad or 100% going to be a non-skippable ad, because personally I would structure the content around having a non-skippable ad, because then you would know that the ad is actually played through and you're actually paid for that ad. Even though it's a very small little amount, over thousands of views, it does add up. But anyway, everyone's got a different way in which they structure this. If they're running this as a ministry, as a business, then they're thinking about how they're doing this, and whether they're doing ad revenue or not, whether they're monetizing or not. And some of these decisions are getting taken away. And let's just hope YouTube gets, recoups the ad revenue that they need to, so that they don't have to come and slice the cost per mil, revenue per mil that the creators are getting. So let's just hope that this actually gives them the additional ad revenue that they need, and that creators do get a little bit extra at the same time. Well, I hope that update was helpful. Watch this next for about shorts. I talk about shorts in this. I would go all in on shorts if they would make these changes. And welcome to Get the Word Out. My name's Adam Markley, helping you get the Word of God out to the masses. I deal with the theology and practice of online ministry. So after you watch this, go ahead and subscribe if you're a Christian content creator. And I will see you in the next video, like this one right here. I'll see you over there. All right.